Guys, how are you doing? How's your week so far? Mine it's not okay, but I'm grateful for the gift of life. And welcome back to my YouTube channel if you're a returning subscriber. And if you just came across my YouTube channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and join the family. And as usual, of course, I'm Chichi. Welcome to another banger. Welcome to another vlog. I don't know, I don't want to say much, but my week has, you can even feel my voice. This is not my voice. I'm from showering and doing everything. I'm sick. I've been sick from Saturday night. And then I realized that I'm over sick on Sunday. I don't know if I'm making sense, but yeah. So guys, I've missed holding the camera and talking to you guys. I miss vlogging. I miss going out and doing something. I thought I'll show you where I went on Saturday, but it was not possible. It was raining. It was like a lot was happening. Yeah. So another thing, I failed to be a cat mom. I gave out my cat to another mommy, my Lumi. If you know that I'm a cat mom. I don't know, but I feel like I've done the best decision in my life because the cat was not giving me, like Lumi, I don't want to call her the cat because she was my baby. Lumi, she was giving me her time in terms of going out, in terms of like, I didn't have the freedom that I wanted, like the freedom that I don't have to like be responsible to something. And I felt like Lumi, she was a responsibility in terms of me going out, in terms of me traveling. Yani singeweza kwenda kwetu bila, in quotes, I could not go home without like giving out Lumi to the body and whatever. And that one also was costing me so much. Yeah, I did that decision yesterday. And I hope Lumi, wherever she is, she'll find a nice family. People will love her. People will show her love that I was not able to show her. And I can ongea sana, but yeah. Guys, this is the next day. And of course, I'm still sick. I did some, how will I say it? I did some fruit shopping. Hui, jamani. I did some food shopping for my house. Yeah, I went to make I want to make concoction. I want to make some ginger, lemon, and yeah, mnajua hiyo ya homa, that one. Even you can see my face, I'm so stressed and sick. First thing that I bought myself this one, nanasi. See, this is the first thing I bought. Then I bought some bananas. Moja isha kutoka, but no problem. I bought bananas. Imeletwa tu sahi. Some bananas zinakaa vizuri, venye hazijaiva. Ginger, unaona ginger, venye nimenunua mingi. Nimenunua 1 kg, this all of it. Yeah, I'm so tired of sickness. I'm so tired. I bought this farm honey. I went to use it to put on my concoction. Hey, but that drink, some oranges. Nafani kunywa tu vitu zinatoa homa. 2 mangoes, some lemon. So yeah, guys, let me prepare some drink. I drink. And yeah, alafu nioge because I've not showered. Hi guys, Chichi's feeling better. So right now, as you can see, I've already uninstalled my wig. We are going to install another one. Okay, alafu nitafute another ring for my nose. So yeah guys, let's go to town. Yoyote yenye unaona ina jam today agashe.
Ushajua hivyo?
Kukaa na company.
Kutokana na mtu kila siku inasaidia hiyo respect pia, alafu pia you're doing your own shit, privacy.
Naogopa kitu. Naogopa kitu bad. Si mbaya. Tamu ya. Mikali? Nataka nianze kumwona kichwa.
One week later.
Hi guys, it's been a whole week without me vlogging. I'm finally back on vlogging. So guys, when I'm back, I come back with the best of the best, with an upgrade. Guess what? I'm upgrading my TV. This TV, out of the topic, we are getting out from this to this. God has done it. You have gotten a new TV. I'm so happy about it. I can't wait to unbox and show you guys how it will look in this amazing wall. Yeah, so come with me. Come. Show me that don't need no wallet. Don't need no wallet. Just need your body. Yeah, yeah. Show me that so sweet like honey. Don't need no talking. Guys, see the progress. Yeah. Voila! Look at my TV, guys. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. So guys, I'm going to do the last touches of unwrapping it. Yeah. So let's go. We start with these small ones. Here, one. Another one. The happiness of just unwrapping. Is it unwrapping or whatever? The most important part is this. This and this and this alone. Wrapping me!
Yay! Look at that screen. Akiwa plastic ilikuwa ina bow. Oh my god.
The bow is real, but it's so
worth it.
Very worth it.
Like it. It's so beautiful. She's so beautiful.
The newest 75-inch. Guys, I'm so happy. I'm so thankful. I'm so blessed. I'm so happy, guys. This is not easy as you see it, but alhamdulillah, I'm happy.
Amen.
So guys, this is the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for staying with me, and yeah, we end this vlog with a blessing.
Thank you. Inshallah.
Inshallah. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please go ahead and subscribe first. Subscribe.
Bye guys, and stay safe, pray, and always remember you're beautiful the way you are.
Voila!